Guys, we are here in the center of the city of Amsterdam. We will discover the center and we will see what we can see here.
Here you have plenty of restaurants and stuff you see here.
Wow, the food.
That's all the old city.
This is the old city of Amsterdam. So guys, we have a lot of restaurants here. You can choose wherever you want to eat. And look at that. The street. Ito, just feel nila. So guys, here, tingnan niyo yung center nila.
And you saw the flag, no?
So guys, we are here in the old city of Amsterdam and we will discover.
A lot of places to eat.
Ganito yung mga ano nila dito. Mga structure ng buildings nila dito. Parang ano na, old type.
Here, you see what this is here?
Ah, okay, there.
And here, it's all mixed.
So, dito tayo padadaan sa gitna. Tayong may-ari ng daan dito. So, ayun, hanap tayo ng makakain kung saan tayo kakain. Atang So guys, nandito tayo sa gitna talaga ng ano. Ayan ang Madame Tussauds. Ito yung Madame Tussauds Museum.
I think it's called the flag. That's why it's le drapeau sympa. Il y a là le drapeau sympa.
Ah oui, the Swiss flag.
Yes. Afro, perspective.
Wow. So guys, ang ganda ng ano ng view dito. Tapos yung mga birds, ang dami mga ibon dito, mga pigeons birds. Ayan, dami nila. Ayan. Oh, a lot of pigeons now. And meron silang museum dito ng Madame Tussauds. Yan. Yan, meron tayong nakitang ano doon, nagrarally. Mga nonsense na nagrarally dyan. Hindi natin na gusto, hindi natin bet. So guys, hindi na tayo papasok dyan kasi many times po tayo nakapasok sa mga Madame Tussauds na wax museum. Puro same lang yan lahat ng mga statue na meron sila. So guys, naglakad tayo. Dito na naman tayo sa other side. Meron tayong nakitang fountain doon na ulo lang siya. Ayan. Yung fountain na nakikita natin doon. Picturean natin. So guys, lahat ng mga nakikita ninyo dito, matatagpuan lang yan dito sa ano, sa Amsterdam. Sorry. Ayan.
And why is it proof? Where is the proof they're not straight?
Because it's bending, look.
Yes, but proof is there. Between a new building and an old building, you see up there's more and down there it's small. So this proof it is bending. Because this is built on like sand or something, right? So, with the weight in the ears.
So guys, hanap tayo ng makakainan natin. Dito guys sa Amsterdam, meron siyang special road para sa mga bike. Hindi pwede sasakyan, puro bike lang ang pwede. May lane siya para sa bike at may lane din para sa bus at saka para sa train. Yan ang advantage dito sa Amsterdam kasi prioritize nila yung mga lanes ng bike at saka yung lane ng mga sasakyan. Hindi ginagawa as one. Yun ang maganda. Yan. May Swiss flag doon na tayo nakita. The Amsterdam Dungeons. Ah, it's nice. So that's the tram of the Amsterdam. It's very, very colorful.
Là, il y a le tram Barbie qui arrive.
Okay, Barbie tram stops here.
Ah, yeah, that's the first canal, you see? This is,
The Barbie tram. There is the Barbie tram. So nice. So nice.
yeah, so any day we can take one of these boats and do a cruise. Cheers to the best.
So beautiful with their plants here, with their... So guys, ang ganda, super nice. Super nice. There's a nice flowers here everywhere. And there's also Simon. You know who's Simon? Ah, Archaeologist Museum, this one. And then Simon is here.
The Simon lady, you see?
Ah, okay.
Simon.
Simon lady.
Simon.
Simon lady. Ah, no, it's not Simon.
Dutch lady.
Can you take me a picture with this Simon lady, Sherry?
Okay. My phone?
Yes. Look like this.
Okay.
Guys, dito guys, kahit saan ka pupunta, ang daming boat. Ayan. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung place na to para at least kahit sa video man lang, makikita ninyo ang Amsterdam. Ayan, may boat tour dito. Guys, tingnan niyo yung sausage nila, ang laki-laki. Yan ang price. So, yan. Ngok-ngok yan siya guys. Ngok-ngok, ibig sabihin hindi tayo pwede dyan sa ngok-ngok.
We have a unique concept, sir. You won't find this anywhere else.
Meron silang concept ng ngok-ngok, sabi niya.
Sorry? Yes, we're here every week. We're on weekly markets.
Guys, meron silang open market dito sa side na to. May tinitinda silang iba't ibang bagay. Yan, mga binibenta nila dito. So tara na, hindi tayo interesado sa mga paninda nila dito. Ang papakahit. Tignan niyo yung boat. Dito lang yan sa side-side. Pwede tayo dito dadaan at tignan natin. Ganyan na sa loob ng boat. Maybe bukas, punta tayo ng boat tour. Ayan. Ayan. Meron tayo nakitang itsura dito. Guys, yung buildings dito, hindi siya straight. Para siyang nagbe-bend. So beautiful also here. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito yung view kahit hindi maganda yung weather, pero maganda yung view dito. So guys, ang daming mga bike dito. Ayan, ang mga bike dito nakapila lang ganyan. Yes.
So many that get sold.
Ah, it's nice with the flowers here. Ayan. Ang daming mga bike dito guys, super. Tara na. Someone is catching fish here. Ang hotel at saka restaurant na to is dito lang yan sa tubig. Yan. Colorful tram. So guys, tignan niyo dito, yung supermarket is nice siya, cute ng ano niya, color ng supermarket. Meron siyang boat tour dito, 1450 euros.
Very strange.
I like it.
Yes, and all on top we have these things to get the meubles. Have these hooks.
Tignan niyo guys, para siyang Italy kasi sa center siya ng tubig. Yung Amsterdam guys is a flat area siya. Wala siyang mountain. Super nice. Mga bakla.
Let's go. Voilà, fameux coffee shop.
Ah, this is a coffee shop. Guys, this is a coffee shop, but literally it's not a coffee shop. It's like a smoking weeds.
Yes. Now